Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings because Do Not Disturb lives inside Focus. Tap Settings, then tap Focus. This shows Do Not Disturb and other modes. Once done, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and you remember the passcode so changes save. You do this now to avoid toggling things in Control Center mid-call. The immediate goal is to find Do Not Disturb. Don't change Auto Reply or Sleep unless you know why, and keep Focus visible for the next step. Now, tap Do Not Disturb from the Focus list and look at the main switch at the top. Flip the toggle off so it appears white or shows off. This immediately restores notifications. If a schedule or smart activation is enabled, tap Scheduled and disable it to prevent automatic re-enabling. Make sure sleep or work focuses aren't linked to DND. Unlink routines if needed. You're doing this to stop interruptions permanently until you choose otherwise. Finish by exiting Settings and confirming notifications arrive. Ask someone to call or send a message. Also check Control Center for the crescent icon. If it's gone, Do Not Disturb is off. If you still don't get alerts, restart your iPhone to clear temporary issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset Focus settings in Settings Focus if problems persist. That restores defaults without erasing other data. Once fixed, make sure any desired exceptions are set so important contacts still get through.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.